guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something very different. Nothing makeup, nothing hair, nothing vloggy, but today we're going to do an unboxing. I am so effing excited. It doesn't make sense, but it makes sense. So I did a poll on Twitter. I mean, not on Twitter, sorry, on Instagram, on if I should, because I literally just bought. You're gonna see, I'm so excited. Anyways, let me get the normalities out of the way. Hi guys, if you are new to the channel, this is my channel and I'm Nathanie. We do a lot of beauty and lifestyle and all those things, yes. But today, and if you are new, sorry, please can you make sure you subscribe down below and also click the bell button so you can be notified every time I do upload, which is every Friday at 12:30 Central African time. And for my returning subscribers, hey family, how are you doing? So yeah, I'm so excited. So Nathanie is a proud owner of a ring light now. Oh my gosh, plot twist. Guys, can we just like take a minute for my skin? Because my skin has been doing the most. I'm so happy. This is how I look usually during the week. There's no makeup, nothing. It's all a lie. It's a lie. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so I'm really excited. Okay, so let's get into all the details before we get into this. Let's do that rather. Okay, so last week Friday, which was, okay, not last week Friday, let's say, okay, last week Friday I bought this ring light on one day only. So one day only, if you're not familiar, is literally, they have literally deals that only last for the day or whenever it is sold out. So I saw it. Shout out to Shantae. She put it on her Instagram and I was like, let me just check it out. So I checked it out and they had, I think the one I got was a 30 centimeter one, so it's I think like 12 inches or something, but I didn't care. It's whatever. It's whatever. So I bought it from them. The original price was something crazy like 3,000 rand, was 67% off. So I was like, okay, maybe it's a sign I should buy it. So I bought it. It cost it. The price was on the special was 999, so 999 rand. And I was like, let me just buy it and then see. So I bought it and the shipping was 60 rand, so in total it came up to 1,058 rand if I'm not mistaken. But I can tell you guys what brand it is and all that stuff if you guys are really interested in maybe getting it. There's also other places which I will put down below where you can buy one. And yeah, so the price, literally, I ordered it on Friday. It is currently Thursday the 12th, which is literally like 6 days, even though you don't count weekends. So basically I bought it around like 4 o'clock on Friday and I got it on Thursday. So it was literally like, it said 5 to 10 days like delivery, but it literally took like 4 days, which is freaking amazing. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So okay, let's just get into this boxing. Okay, so it comes in a box like this. I'm not going to show you the other side because it has my details, but I don't think you'll be able to zoom in on it. But anyways, it comes with the ring light, and then it also comes with sorry, a stand. It's a 1.9, I think 1.9 meters ring light stand. Okay, so Nathanie, I had to open this just to see if like everything is fine inside, but I will be like opening it with you guys right now. So it just opens here. I am so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Let me open. I'll probably set it up with you guys as well. And then it comes with a bag, which is pretty amazing, I think, because you know we might need this in the future. So this is basically what it comes with. So it's the black bag, and then inside, the one thing that I don't like about it is that it is literally just loose in this bag. I know the bag has like padding and stuff, but you never know, like in transit it might have like been damaged or whatever. So I definitely need to actually get this checked out. And this is the ring light. This is the ring light. Okay, I'm gonna just put it down here for now. And then I'll show you guys what else there is in the bag. So in the bag there also comes this, like, I think it's like a, let me open it. So I think this is like an adapter for your phone, and it has like a little thing where you can put your phone on, which is great. I have to figure out where this needs to go. Oh, it goes right here. Wait, does it? Okay, it goes somewhere. So clearly they wouldn't give it to me if it wasn't for that. And then I'm gonna open this parcel. So I finally got it out of the bag, out of the wrapping, and it comes in a little bag like this. Clearly you can carry it if you really wanted to, but it looks like a freaking camping chair vibe. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks very, do you think I could? Ow. Okay. So now I'm just gonna like put on the ring light. Okay. So I need to like loosen this part so it can go down. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly like plug it in. I think I'm gonna just put you on my other tripod quickly, like hold a second. I forgot to show you. So this is where the adapter, not adapter, the stand goes into, and to tighten and loosen. And then also, can you focus? This is to dim it, but I will show you now as well how that happened. And then this is obviously to power on and off, and to dim it and make it louder. Hilarious. To make it brighter, sorry. So I'm just going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you now. So basically this is what it looks like. I attached the head part, well, the light, to the stand. The stand is pretty long. I haven't plugged it in yet, but I just thought that I would rather show you that when it is actually like connected, and then how lit it looks. So I'm gonna show you right now. The light is on. My forehead is hella shiny, so please just forget about that. But basically this is the light. It's lit. Okay, so I'm just quickly gonna show you the difference. So okay, wait, let me try and move it a bit. Okay, so that's perfectly in front of me, right? So this is the one that's for warmth, right? And this is, put it off, put it back on. Okay, that's a bit hectic. But then there's one, instead of, because a lot of these ring lights have like the yellow things that you stick on to get that yellowish vibe, and then this one actually just has it built in, and that's basically what it looks like. My forehead is way too shiny for all of this, so I'm just gonna put it a little bit down, like, yo, this is hella bright. And then as you can see, then I can put up the warmth. So, and there's also sun outside, so it might also be adding to that. But anyways, I'm very happy with my purchase right now. I'm so excited, as you can probably see on my face. I really love my friggin' ring light. It's a bit blinding, no lie. But I freaking love it. Like, I feel like, even though I didn't get like the biggest one, it's something, and that's how you build small and you get big. Do you know what I mean? So I'm really in love with this right now. Like, I'm so happy, and I can't wait to be filming. And I can't wait to film more content for you with this light. I can do it in the dark, well, at night, not in the dark. But yeah, so I'm really excited, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.